Jimmy Daddy, we写说，no me Jeff 写说 March, me Jeff March.
You love your sister a lot. So much, yeah. What about your pajamas?
Me love it.
Can you tell me what those are?
Touch.
Tractors
Touch.
and cars. Yeah. What else do you love?
Road.
The road. Yeah.
House. We have a house.
You love the house. Whose house is this?
Our bodies.
Everybody's.
Yep.
Yeah. Who all lives here?
Grandma. Our body.
Grandma and everybody? Yeah. What's your favorite thing about the house?
Me love it.
You love it. I'm glad you love it. You love your new pajamas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me love grandma too.
You love Shiloh's pajamas too? Yeah. She's got pretty pajamas, huh?
Yeah.
With fast cars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.